So let's enter into the blog admin area of our blog. So by clicking this, well, now we are in the blog admin area. Officially this is called dashboard. So official name of this admin area is dashboard. And before we go through these links, first, just to discuss these screen options. This screen options actually configures this main screen, and as we can see here on the top, that these 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so these 7 areas constitute this screen, and these are selectable. You can select or deselect. As I have deselect the stats, so the stats screen is invisible here. Now it should be appearing. So this stat area is now visible. So you can configure your screen, whether you like anything or you dislike anything. You can exclude or include anything with your choice. And in this screen we have right now section, which discusses our activities, that we have one post, one page, one category. What are these things? Post, page, category. I will discuss definitely later on. And this quick press is a way to post content to our website, to our blog. These are the comments which I have received from one of our class fellows, and this shows the overall stuff which we have produced up till now, and this shows the stats. Stats mention the number of viewers on a particular day. For example, on May 4 we have 3 viewers, and this recent drafts, the last activity we have done is shown here on the recent drafts. And finally, what's hot is provide WordPress.com news. Similarly, it shows the top blogs, top posts, and of course the latest. So why this is provided here? For the bloggers who want to use the content of other blogs, they can select from top blogs, from top posts, or maybe something from latest. Latest becomes sometime very important, as we had earthquake last month in Middle East. So such news, of course, are coming here in this area, and people want to reblog. This concept you might have seen in Twitter. People retweet, and similarly people post on the Facebook, and they keep on posting the posts of other people. So this is the concept to produce content which actually produced by others. So these are options which you can choose for your screen. Similarly, you can choose the layout of this screen. Either you want 1 column or 2 column. Right now it is 2 column. If we select 1 column, so all our content is arranged in 1 column. So it's your choice. Whatever you want to do, you can select, deselect anything. So let's go to this dashboard area and discuss these points one by one. We will discussing store at the last, and we will start with the post, that how we can post our content to our blog.